How to make Hardtechno. First, take a really punch and fat kick. I will use this from my sample pack. Now, in another channel, copy the kick, but add distortion and reverb. The rumble bass to add deep and energy to low frequencies. A simple clap. Now, some hi-hats. And percussion. Synth to add ambient. And some, let's call, dubstep bass. The pre-drop pads. And a simple melody. Now the drop. It's not that complicated, it's just a little transition adding elements from the intro. But the great bass sustain is worth mentioning. And some other bass. A simple drum fill. Let's check. Hope you liked the video. I would appreciate your like and comment. Don't forget to check out my sample pack in the description.